Now, if we are to drop down to the support here in Baby Doge at 8Z41, right? If we go down to 8Z41 and we hit this support, and really it's not 8Z41, really it's 8Z414. So yeah, I know it's a lot of numbers. But yeah, if we hit this 8Z414 support line, then and if we go below it, then we're definitely kind of confirmed to maybe even go all the way back down to 8Z35. And we were saved once. We were saved on the 13th of February, which was yesterday. We got saved, did not end up going all the way down there. But this time, if we break the support again, we might not be too lucky and we might go down to 8Z35. Now, if that doesn't happen, we got to talk about how the bullish scenario looks here for Baby Doge if that does not happen. So, if it doesn't happen, then we have immediate resistance up here that we already know about, which is all the way up here at 8Z45. But then we have the 8Z48 to get past. So if we do that, then we're almost certain to get back to our previous all-time highs and maybe passing those. So let's see if we pass those. But to be quite honest, either way, I'm okay with it. I'm okay if Baby Doge goes up. I'm okay if Baby Doge goes down because I'm a long-term holder and I will buy more if we go down further. So I'm a long-term holder. That's just how I see things. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is just how I see things. Now, anyways, going over here to Bitcoin. Now, as you can see over here with Bitcoin, we have here on the oscillator bearish signals being thrown up. The buying is actually starting to slow down. And you can see here this buying wave is now turning into a selling wave. So now you're probably about to see some selling coming in for Bitcoin. And something interesting for Bitcoin, we just now had that increase was because of the inflation, is because of the CPI report data. It was kind of good. So, it was up. We are up 0.5% with inflation for January, but it's not as bad as previous reports because medical care is down, airline fare is down, used car prices are down. So that was a good sign for the financial markets. And you've seen Bitcoin had a nice pump all the way up to 22.3K, all the way down here from 21.6K. And it almost broke this resistance up here, but it did not end up breaking it. It ended up pulling back. And now you can see right now, Bitcoin is trying to make that comeback. So if Bitcoin can make that comeback, it has to get past 22.3K. That's the resistance that we had have to get back past. But it is showing that selling is happening in Bitcoin. So you could see a pullback either halfway down here to the support all the way at 21.8K, or it might stop at 21.9 and then continue to go back up. So we have a few scenarios that could happen. And also for the 4-hour chart here, you can see we're starting to have a little bit lower activity here for institutional investors, dark pools, all that good stuff here for Bitcoin. You can see over here that on the oscillator is showing that we were overbought, obviously, because the inflation report came in and it was kind of good for us. So we had that overbuying happening in the market. So you see that it's kind of curving downwards, but doesn't it look like it's about to start curving up down here? So let me zoom in on that on the oscillator. You can see it looks like it's about to start curving up. You can see how it does that and it curves down and now it's curving back upwards. So we actually might see a second buying wave coming in for Bitcoin. And if we see a second buying wave coming in for Bitcoin, then we can bet that our next resistance all the way up here at 23.3K could be met pretty soon if we have some more buying coming in. But yeah, let's see what happens there with Bitcoin. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Big shout out to everyone out there that watched the video. Also hit the like button and subscribe. This is the Marcellus Clips channel. On this channel, we will be continuing to grow and I will continue to put the clips to all the videos on this channel just in case you don't want to watch the long form content. So definitely check that out. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers and plus and beyond. And stay tuned for another video.